Hello, everyone. Take a look around you. Do you know the English name for everything in your home? Today, we are taking a tour of a house and learning simple English vocabulary for every room. By the end of this lesson, you will be able to describe your home clearly and confidently. Let's get started. First, the living room. This is where we relax, watch TV, and spend time with family. Repeat after me. Couch, sofa, armchair, coffee table, television, remote control, lamp, rug, window, wall. Now listen to these sentences. The couch is very comfortable. The TV is on the wall. The remote control is on the coffee table. There is a lamp next to the sofa. Pause the video. Describe your living room. Now, the kitchen. This is where we cook and eat. Repeat after me. Refrigerator or fridge. Stove. Oven. Microwave. Sink. Table. Chair. Plate. Listen carefully. The fridge is next to the stove. The plates are in the cabinet. The sink is full of water. There are 4 chairs at the table. What is in your kitchen? Say it in English. Now, the bedroom. This is where we sleep and rest. Repeat. Bed, pillow, blanket, sheets, closet, dresser, mirror, nightstand, alarm clock. Listen. The bed is next to the window. The clothes are in the closet. The mirror is on the wall. The alarm clock is on the nightstand. Describe your bedroom using 3 sentences. Now, the bathroom. Repeat. Shower, bathtub, toilet, sink, mirror, towel, toothbrush, soap. Listen. The towel is hanging on the wall. The toothbrush is next to the sink. The shower is very clean. What color is your bathroom? The remote is on the table. The shoes are under the bed. The fridge is next to the stove. The lamp is behind the couch. Now answer these questions out loud. Where is your TV? What is on your kitchen table? Is your bed big or small? Where do you keep your clothes? Speak in full sentences. Great job today! Now you can describe your home in English. Write in the comments and describe one room in your house. Like the video, subscribe for more English lessons. See you in the next one.